Understanding, redeem yourself, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and widely used English phrase, redeem yourself. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means, but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's dive right in. The phrase, redeem yourself, comes from the word, redeem, which originally means to gain or regain possession of something in exchange for payment. However, in this context, it takes on a more figurative meaning. To redeem yourself means to improve your image, reputation, or standing after a period of negative behavior or poor performance. It's about making things right after making a mistake or failing in some way. Let's see how this phrase is used in real-life situations. 1. After a mistake, imagine you failed an important test. Your teacher might say, you can redeem yourself in the next exam. 2. In relationships, if someone forgets an important anniversary, they might try to redeem themselves by planning a special surprise later. 3. In professional settings, a worker who makes a significant error at work might redeem themselves by working extra hard on their next project. It's important to note that redeem yourself is not about compensating someone else or fixing the situation itself. It's more about restoring your own reputation or self-esteem. It's also not necessarily about apologizing, although that can be a part of it. In different English-speaking cultures, the phrase might carry slightly different connotations. For example, in American English, it often has a more personal and emotional implication, while in British English, it might be used more in formal or professional contexts. And that's a wrap on redeem yourself. Remember, this phrase is all about improving yourself and making up for past mistakes. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.